Hawkeye system. In order to promote the communal order, the city of Belgrade has introduced Hawkeye system for automatic recognition of vehicle license plates by a mobile video surveillance. This system controls improperly parked vehicles on the streets of Belgrade, but also properly parked vehicles for which the parking is not paid. The system has a preventive role, so it is evident that the streets are without traffic jams and crowds, sidewalks are free for pedestrians, parking control is more efficient, payments are duly paid, and the interchangeability of vehicles in parking lots is increased. In the center of Belgrade, a paid parking zone has about 30,000 parking places. There are red, yellow, and green zones in the zone system, and parking is limited to 60, 120, and 180 minutes. In the narrow center of the city, next to the pedestrian zone, a purple zone has been introduced with a time limit of 30 minutes. In the wider area of the city, parking is without time limit in the so-called blue zone. The control of parking fees in the zoned area in 2014 was performed by 150 controls of the parking service with the assistance of 30 administrative workers. With the increase of zone area, the number of employees also increased. With the introduction of the Hawkeye system on the streets covered by video surveillance, the number of parking controllers is now 0, and the number of administrative workers has been reduced to only 20. In order for the Hawkeye system to function, it is necessary to meet 3 preconditions: a special vehicle fitted with special bodywork approved as a separate unit, a hardware and software subsystem. The basis of the entire system is the Geographic Information System, GIS, which contains a map of all streets in the city, roads, sidewalks, as well as the position of traffic signs, traffic lights, pedestrian crossings, parking lots, and other important elements. The Hawkeye system has 2,000 observations per hour, while the parking service controller has only 700 observations for 8 hours of operation and 20 kilometers. As the process is automated, namely everything is done by the machine, there is no possibility that a license plate escapes the eye. The machine does not pause, nor can the user make an agreement with it. Since the beginning of the introduction of the Hawkeye system, there has been an increase in the issued orders of the communal militia for improperly parked vehicles and an increase in the income from paid misdemeanor orders. The preventive role of the system is also reflected in the increase of revenues from issued electronic parking tickets, and the number of sent SMS messages is also increasing. The parking service has introduced e-parking, and drivers can use the application to pay for parking in parking facility quickly, easily and safely without going to the cash register, but also in areas where they are allowed to pay via SMS. Along with the notification on the issued daily ticket, they also receive a direct link which leads to the window for its payment. The application which drivers install on their mobile phones automatically locates the zone in which the vehicle is located and provides the information on the nearest free parking spaces, both in the zoned part of the city where the parking sensors are installed and in garages and parking lots. In the parking service application, users will soon be able to see the history of all received notifications. Apart from the communal militia of the parking service, the Hawkeye system can be used also by other Belgrade communal companies because vehicles fitted with special bodywork approved as a separate unit can record potholes, illegal gardens, damaged traffic signs, control, place advertisements, and also have a role in accident expertise. The introduction of the system has contributed to more efficient maintenance of communal order, digitalization of the parking service, and also to the increase in revenue through higher collection, effective and efficient business operation. All this is another indicator that Belgrade has reasonably the epithet smart city.